Let's see these trainers' Pokemons. So let's start with Gary Pokemon. Gary is a very good trainer and the rival of Ash Ketchum, and also he is a companion of Ash and also a rival in Kanto region, and he have many types of many best Pokemons in his team, and in this video we will see Mega Evolution of his Pokemon. So let's see his team step by step from evolving in Mega Evolution. Now Gary Pokemon evolving in their second stage. And now Gary have War Turtle, Gible, Magikarp. Now all Pokemon evolving in their second and the final evolution of their evolution. And now Gary have Blastoise, Garchomp, Gyarados, Salamence, Flygon, Legender, and now all the Pokemon evolving in their final and Mega Evolution form. And now Gary has Mega Salamence, Mega Flygon, and other Pokemon. So okay, then let's see Gary's top 4 best Pokemon for his Pokemon team in Mega form. So obviously the first Pokemon will be his best Pokemon Blastoise, Mega Blastoise, and the second Pokemon Mega Garchomp, and the third Pokemon will be Mega Flygon, and the fourth Pokemon will be Mega Gyarados. Okay, then let's see our Professor Oak Pokemon team of Mega Evolution, and also he is the Pokemon trainer in his childhood. He also started a journey as a Pokemon master, but after he became Pokemon Professor. Okay, so let's see his team step by step and their evolutions. And now Professor Oak have Magikarp to evolve in Gyarados, Dragonair, Lava, Lapras, Eevee, and now Professor Pokemon evolving in their second and the final evolution. And now Professor have Mega Gyarados, Mega Alakazam, and Mega Lapras, and Mega Dragonite also, Mega Typhlosion, Mega Umbreon. Sorry. What is the name of the Pokemon? Don't worry. Okay, then let's see Professor Oak top 4 best Mega Evolution Pokemon. So the first Pokemon will be Mega Dragonite, second will be Mega Gyarados, third will be Mega Lapras, and the fourth one will be Mega... What is the name of the Pokemon? Comment down. Okay, then let's see our Pokemon hero Go Pokemon. Also Go have many types of many Pokemons and different region Pokemon, but he have also a best and weak Pokemon, but I included some best Pokemon for his team. And also Go is the companion of Ash in Galar region. So let's see Go team step by step. And now Go have Cinderace, Magikarp, and other Pokemon, and now all are evolving in their second stage. And now we can see Go have Gyarados also. And in this video I added some Mega Evolution which is not exist in Pokemon. Now Go Pokemon evolving in their second and the final stage, and now Mega Evolution also. Now we have Mega Cinderace, Mega Gyarados, and now other Pokemon also evolving in their Mega form. And now Mega Salamence also, Mega Butterfree, Mega Hydreigon, and Mega Flygon. So okay, then let's see Go best top 4 best Mega Pokemon. Let's see. Obviously the first Pokemon will be Mega Cinderace, second is Mega Flygon, and the third one will be Mega Hydreigon, and the fourth one Pokemon is Mega Butterfree. Okay, then let's see our hero Ash Ketchum Mega Evolve Pokemon team. And in this video I didn't included Pikachu because he doesn't have Mega Evolution, and I can't give him Mega Evolution because his first form. And now in the current time Ash have only one Mega Evolution, which is with Lucario. But in this video I included some Pokemon, which is 6 Pokemon in this team for Mega Evolution. So let's see his steps step by step. And now the S Pokemon evolving in the second and the final evolution. And now S have Charmeleon, Wartortle, Lucario, Grovyle, Gible and Dragonair. And now also Pokemon evolving in their final form. And now we have Charizard, Blastoise, Dragonite. And now also Pokemon evolving in Mega Evolution. And now S have Mega Charizard, Mega Blastoise, Mega Lucario, Mega Sceptile, Mega Garchomp. So okay, then let's see guys, top 4 best Mega Evolution Pokemon. So the first Pokemon will be Mega Charizard, and the second Pokemon will be Mega Sceptile, and the third Pokemon will be Mega Lucario, and the fourth will be Mega Dragonite.